Hello, I'm Gemma. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you on your journey. Understand affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's, or companies', products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Select a niche that you're passionate about and have some knowledge in. This will make it easier to create content and promote products. Research affiliate programs. Find affiliate programs that fit your niche. Some popular affiliate networks include Facebook, YouTube, CJ Affiliate, ShareASale, Instagram, TikTok. Build your platform. You'll need a place to share your content and promote products. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or social media profiles. Essential tools and software. WordPress is the most popular platform for creating blogs and websites. It's user-friendly and has numerous plugins to help you customize your site. Email marketing. Tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Aweber can help you build an email list and engage with your audience. SEO tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest can help you optimize your content for search engines and drive organic traffic. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Later can help you schedule and manage your social media posts. Affiliate link tools like Pretty Links or Thirsty Affiliates can help you manage and cloak your affiliate links. Google Analytics is a must-have for tracking your website's performance and understanding your audience. Create valuable content. Share informative, engaging, and valuable content related to your niche. This could be blog posts, videos, podcast episodes, or social media posts. Promote affiliate products. Naturally, include affiliate products in your content where they add value. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to build trust with your audience. To generate sales, you need to drive traffic to your platform. Here are some ways to do this. Optimize your content for search engines to drive organic traffic. Share your content on your social media profiles. Write guest posts for other blogs in your niche. Consider using paid ads to reach a larger audience. Engage with your email list and share your latest content. Be patient and persistent. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey. Gemma.